I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today, as promised guys, I'm going to do a decorate with me using my TK Maxx finds. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by, first of all, decorating my throne chair with this beautiful throw that I picked up from TK Maxx. I absolutely love this gorgeous throw, guys. I'm really loving warmer tones at the moment as we are in the midst of fall here in Australia. And remember how excited I was to get this beautiful Array Done cushion, so I've added that to my throne chair as well. And who remembers this beautiful white basket? I'm so in love with this basket, guys. It's one of my favourites. I'm going to add it to the left-hand side and pop in this beautiful white cushion that I've had for quite a while. I originally got that from Bed Bath and Table. Now, who remembers this gorgeous glam candle holder that I picked up on clearance for just $6, guys? I'm going to add it behind my tray display here and add a battery operated candle. Now, moving on to my kitchen, I love decorating my two-tiered tray, and what I'm using here is this beautiful Rae Dunn candle, which I'm not sure if I showed in my haul, guys. I don't think I did, but I love styling it in so many different ways. Now, I also love to decorate above my range hood, and this is probably the only thing not from TK Maxx, guys. I picked up this sign off eBay, but I decorated it either side with flowers from TK Maxx that I got last year. I absolutely love this sign, guys, and if you love it just as much as me, I'll leave it linked down below to the link to eBay where I purchased it from.
Tell me, mother, did you miss me when I broke free? When I grabbed a bus to anywhere just to be elsewhere. I long to belong.
I also love to do little vignettes on my kitchen island. So I took this blue tray that I already had, as well as this beautiful white flower arrangement, and I added my Home Sweet Home sign from TK Maxx. I also added this ceramic pink rose. Now remember my leopard print utensil holder, guys, that I got on clearance for just $4. Here it is with my favourite utensils, and I love how it gives that pop of glam in my kitchen. Now guys, I wanted to add a little wreath on my pantry door, and I had this one from Christmas time, so I took it outside and gave it 2 coats of my favourite blue spray paint, and I absolutely love how it came. We're now heading into my main bathroom, and I love decorating this space, guys. I love that my bathrooms, I want to create a spa-like feel in them. So remember that gorgeous pink and gold 2-tier tray I had. I decided to add it on top of my ottoman with my favourite perfumes. I'm currently on the hunt for another 2-tier tray like this for my beautiful friend Betsy Ann. She absolutely fell in love with this 2-tier tray when I shared it. So I've been to a few TK Maxx's here in Australia and can't seem to locate it again. So for my Aussie friends, if you happen to spot it, could you please send me a message? I would love to get this for my very dear friend. With my bathtub, I have a bamboo tray, and I love to decorate it with beautiful candles. This scented one from TK Maxx is water lily and vanilla, and it smells divine. I also added these beautiful gold cream flowers that I picked up from TK Maxx last year.
Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
I also added my favourite Girl Boss book, and I love, guys, that when I take a bath I'm taking the time to rejuvenate as well as read. We all read on our iPads and our phones, but I've decided this year that I'm going to start reading books again, and I'm truly loving it.
But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home. if you love DIY projects, glam decorating ideas and home tours, as well as shopping hauls, my channel just might be for you. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to become a part of Shel's Glam Home family. You can also follow me over on Instagram. I post daily inspiration of decorating my home glam. I'm at Shel's Glam Home too, and I'll leave it linked for you down below. Now I want to point out, guys, that this video is definitely not sponsored. I'm just that crazy lady that absolutely loves shopping at TK Maxx, and I was so excited to show you how I style these things in my home. So guys, what was your favourite TK Maxx item? There is so many that I love so much, but my favourite would definitely have to be the beautiful glam candlestick.
The way it's meant to be, all the emotion spinning in my head feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't
You know your girl Shell absolutely loves shopping for bargains, guys, and the fact that I got this for just $6 makes my heart so happy.
the things you do just like you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me with my TK Maxx finds.
Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you.
So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Shel's Glam Home family.
There ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shel's Glam Home.
Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel
Take
the
care,
same?
everyone, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Cause I got high